I'll be starting off today's DIY project with Dollar Tree mirrors and frames that will be glued on this Walmart mirror. I'll be removing the parts that I don't need and leaving just the mirror and the frame itself. Now the frame is going to be glued on to the Walmart mirror with a strong adhesive. Now I'm going to be gluing on the glass to the frames using a clear construction adhesive. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I got these mirrors from another store, but you can also get mirrors like this from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be gluing these on top of the glass. It is very important to clean the glass before you glue anything to it to give it a better hold. I let this set overnight and then I turn it over to attach the twine that I'll be using to mount this on the wall. I attached the twine to the mid part of the mirror at the back, which wasn't really well balanced, so I will advise that if you are to use this method, the attachment should be at the upper part of the back of the mirror. This is a Dollar Tree flashlight, and I'll be using 3 for this project. It gives off light at the bottom and at the top. I'll be removing this part here, but this is optional. You can leave yours if you like. Now I'm going to prep this and spray paint them silver. I'm going to keep this aside and take Dollar Tree paper towel holders and bend them to the angle that I want for this project. A 90 degrees angle will be better for this project because it would sit well at the back of the mirror. I used a lot of pressure achieving this bend, but if you're not comfortable with this method, you can ask someone for help. Now I'm going to be attaching the flashlight to the paper towel holder with zip ties. And I did this in such a way that I still have access to the switch and the battery pack. I'll be covering up the zip tie that's showing here and other parts that don't look good in the eye with gems. The gems, when they are together like this, it looks like ice frost. Now for the back, I just cut a little piece of bling wrap and attached it at the top, leaving the bottom part because when opening the battery pack, it slides open, so it should be together with the bling wrap when you're doing that. I'll be attaching what I just made to the mirror with zip ties. I'll cover up the zip ties with gold acrylic paint. Now here's what it looks like when it's mounted on the wall.
The light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space.
This is such a beautiful and decorative piece that adds a little bit of lighting in the room. But then when you turn it upside down, you can use it to display your pictures in a mini gallery style. Whichever way you choose to mount this on the wall, it would still look pretty. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they too can have a beautiful piece like this on their walls. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.